We are solving the burst balloon problem. Let's see. It's a very simple question. It's hard in LeetCode, but the question is simple. So what does the problem say? Problem says we have balloons which are values 2, 4, 3, let's say 2 again. And if you burst any balloon, let's say we burst balloon 3, you get a points equal to 3 times left times right equal to 3 times 4 times 2, which equal to 24. So if all balloons are burst, then what's the max value? So given the sequence can be anything, but you have to find the max value. So how do we solve this? This is a question, and so how do we solve this? The question becomes a bit, and the one thing you have to figure out is, in the case of edge, if you burst 2, then you assume the left side is equal to 1. Or in the case of right, if you burst 2, this edge case is 1. So if there is a single balloon left, so it is both neighbors are 1. Taking that thing, we can do is, let's say our balloons are 2, 4, 3, 2, and there are 2 balloons on the side which cannot be burst, and the value is 1. This makes implementation a bit easy. Now how do we solve this? Solving is, let's say you burst this balloon 2 and you got the points V0. And what is the remaining one? The remaining one is so you burst balloon 2, so you have 4 now left, 3, 2, and this one, right? This was this case. Now let's say we are doing bursting balloon 4, right? Let's say we have burst balloon 4. What is the case now? The case will be this one. Then the next balloon is 2, next balloon is 3, next balloon is 2, next is a stable one, right? The points for the first one are 2 times 1 times 4, which is equal to 8. For the second one is 2 times 4 times 3, 8 here 24, right? This is 4, which is equal to 2 times 4 times 3 L R self. So this is the case. Now let's say what's the next option. Next option is we burst 3. If we burst 3, the solution becomes 2, 4, 2, and this one, right? Which again you get a value of, now you get a value of 4 times 2, 8 here 24. So this is this case. So you got, and the next part is, if you burst the balloon number, this one, 4th, it becomes 2, 4, 3, and last one is this one, stable one. The value becomes 2 times 3 times 1, which is 6. So you got 4 options here after the first bursting, after bursting one balloon. Second balloon immediately, like this one, can go up to 1, 2, 3 options. Similarly, this will go to 3 options. So how do we solve it? So simple part is, do the steps here, max, and do a max of the breaking any balloon, then do a DFS on the remaining part. So what we do is, do max of balloon 1 burst, option balloon 2 burst, balloon 3 burst, balloon 4 burst, and this is your function. You call a function fn with this thing, function with this thing, function with b3 burst, function with b4 first. Similarly, this will go and call again function with b2 burst, max of b2 burst, and like this. And if you go, so this will become, so this becomes a kind of a question where you say function 1 b0 burst plus comma function 2 b1 burst, function comma 3 b4 burst, like this, and max. This again is a recursive call of saying, since b0 is gone, it will again call function of b1, b2, function of b3, like this. So there are recursive calls over here, and there is some evaluation, and whatever the value is from the top level, that's a result of the solution. This is a simple question.